Question number 4. Solve 2 into root of x by a plus 3 into root of a by x, which is equal to b by a plus 6a by b. We are going to find the solutions of x for this polynomial equation. So let us take the equation. Instead of taking this as y, we will take another easiest method, taking squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. If you are squaring on both sides, then your left hand side is 2 into root of x by a plus 3 into root of a by x the whole square, which is equal to b by a plus 6a by b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a plus b the whole square. A square. 2 square is 4. Root of xa by x by a the whole square is x by a plus 3 square. 3 square is, or else I will write this as root of x the whole square. Here it will be 3 square 9 root of a by x the whole square plus 2 into ab. So 2 into a value was again 2 into root of x by a into 3 into root of a by x, which is equal to, here also b by a the whole square is b square by a square plus 6a by b the whole square is 36a square by b square plus 2 into ab. A value was b by a. B value is 6a by b. So a cancel, b is also cancel. Here 4 into square root and square will get cancel. So x by a plus 9 into, here also square root square cancel, a by x plus 2 into 3 4 into 3 12. Root of x by a into root of a by x is root of x by a into a by x, so which is cancel. These two are reciprocals, so they are cancel. So 12 alone is balance. So b square by a square plus 36a square by b square plus 2 into 6 12. These two 12s are cancelled. We have 4x by a plus 9a by x, which is equal to b square by a square 36a square by b square. Now we'll take LCM on both sides. Then 4x into x, 4x square, a into 9a, 9a square divided by a into x, which is equal to, here also b power 4 plus 36a power 4 divided by a square into b square. Now cancel out these two a's. So 4x square plus 9a square, denominator we have x, that we will take it in this side. Then x into b power 4 plus 36 a power 4 divided by, already one a is cancelled out, so balance a into b square. Now we will split the terms. If we are splitting the right hand side, it is x into b power 4 divided by a b square plus x into 36a power 4 divided by a b square. So a power 4 cancel, b square b power 4 is cancel. Balance we have 4x square 9a square equal to x b square divided by a plus 36 a cube x divided by b square. To make this as quadratic form, x square coefficient is 4. We will divide this as 4. So throughout divided by 4, then it is x square plus 9 by 4a square, which is equal to b square x by 4a plus 36a cube x divided by 4b square. These two will be cancelled, so it is 9x square, 9 by 4a square. If you are taken out this into left hand side, minus b square x by 4a minus 9 into a cube x divided by b square equal to 0. I will arrange this as x square x and then constant. Then it is x square. These two terms are x terms. Take one minus outside. Then it is b square by 4a plus 9a cube by b square into x plus constant term 9 by 4 a square equal to 0. This is of the form x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. That is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So from here your alpha value is equating these two. Alpha value is b square by 4a and then beta value is 9a cube by b square. Therefore the two roots are the two solutions are b square by 4a and 9a cube by b square.